Hey, what's up, YouTube? Olsen Bro here with another review, and I have my son Cade with me today. Say what's up, Cade.
What's up, Cade?
Oh, what's up, Cade? Perfect. Today we're going to take a look at a few iPhone cases. We have two of them that are for the iPhone X, and one is for the iPhone 7. All three are from a company called Silk Innovation. They sent these out to me, and I really appreciate it. They make some nice cases, and they're very inexpensive. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the two iPhone X cases first. Start with the Kungfu Grip. You want to open that one up?
Kungfu Grip?
I have my dummy iPhone X right now since I still don't have the iPhone X.
That was easy to open.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it comes with some kind of screen. Is it like a glass one or just plastic?
Step one, remove me, peel off protector.
Yeah, so it's not. It comes with a screen protector. It's not tempered glass, but that's a nice.
Step two, remove me.
It's a
peel
nice.
off this protector.
Yeah, that's a nice touch.
What?
So this is like a silicone type case. I know, that's to put on the screen. You know what a screen protector is?
No, don't.
Man, how many videos have you done with me?
Like zero.
Like zero. All right, so that goes on the screen of the phone.
Oh.
Get it?
Okay.
So this is the actual case. Silicone case, very soft and pliable. You know, got a nice touch to it. And let's go ahead and slide the iPhone X into the case. It's supposed to be Kungfu Grip, right? What do you think? Feel like it's gonna slip?
Yeah.
How about this? It feels like if you put it on the table, it's not going anywhere. It grabs, you know? Unless you chuck it around, man. I mean, like push on it.
I'm pushing this thing to the one.
It's got a nice big cutout for the camera lens on the back there, and it looks like all the cutouts are where they're supposed to be. The top has full protection. It's got cutouts for the speakers and for the lightning port. Overall, simple, nice little case. Give it a little extra protection. Not super beefy. It does provide a slight lip on the front of the case, which I like, so you can put it upside down and protect your screen. And also, in addition, it'll have this thing here. Nice, inexpensive protection for the phone. All right, that was the Kungfu Grip. I believe it's probably like $10 on Amazon. I'll put links to all of these on the web or below in the description. This one is one that Cade was liking just from looking at it. It's called the Wallet Slayer. Again, for the iPhone X, this one is the blue version. This one also comes with a screen protector. Oh.
Fake phone.
Let's see, read that. Read those things.
Q. Will my cards demagnetize in the case? Oh, that was a question. Answer. No, your phone will not demagnetize your credit cards. That's an old wives' tale. Question. Can I fit more than 3 cards in the case? Answer. We don't recommend squeezing more than 3 cards plus cash in the case, since this can stretch the case beyond its intended design. But we've seen it done. Question. Wait a minute. It's a tight fit with 2 cards. Are you sure I can fit 3 in there? Yes. The case is new. The cards fit tightly, but the fabric adjusts after 1 to 2 days to fit all cards comfortably. Question. I have more questions. What do I do? Answer. We got you. Visit.
Go to their website, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. The other thing on the very bottom, it says lifetime warranty, no commitment issues here. Contact us anytime. Very cool. So here it is. It's also a silicone type case, but on the back it has this material where you're going to put in the credit cards. So let's slide on the iPhone X real quick. Fits nice and snug. It does have a little bit better lip on the front of it than that last one for protection. All the cutouts are there. It's covered on the top and the bottom. They're all lined up just perfectly. Looks really sharp. Not bad. Let's try. I got 3 credit cards here. So we'll slide 1 in. Slide in 2. And slide in number 3. Now they say don't do more than 3.
Mm-hmm.
I almost feel like I can do more than 3.
4.
I mean, that's not a credit card, but it's a thick piece of paper. What do you think?
I like it. I like how the color doesn't look fake like the other ones. It looks like, even this leather, it looks, I don't know, it just looks pretty good. And then getting the cards out is easy. You got a finger thing right here, and you can pull it out from here. It's easy.
Yeah.
But I
Nice.
just took all three of them out. I don't know, like if you were trying to get just one card out, I think it'd be harder. Like let's say I just wanted the middle one. You wouldn't be able to get the middle one. You'd have to get the other ones out first.
You gotta pull the whole thing out.
And then take them out. But then again, it's just 3 cards.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it's pretty good.
Not bad. So is this one you would want?
Yeah.
An iPhone X?
Mm-hmm.
Very cool. Not bad. So there's that case. That is, again, the Q card case. And, of course, it comes with that screen protector as well. And then last but not least, this is actually for an iPhone 7. This one is the Vault. So it says it's a slim wallet iPhone case.
Well,
This one is a hard plastic. Actually, that was deceiving. I thought it was a hard plastic. It's actually silicone as well. It totally looks like it's going to be hard plastic.
it looks like those iPad cases that are like super hard.
Yeah,
I just bent that.
yeah. This one comes also with a screen protector. Let's try it out in my wife's iPhone 7 here. Slides right in. It does give it a little, it almost looks like a battery case because it's got a little thick back to it here. And it's made to put in some cards. So, you know what? If you put one card in there, let's see if it stays.
Oh,
Yeah, it stays. There's something in there that kind of, when you push it, you kind of can feel, at first it seems really loose, but then once you get it in, I already feel pressure grabbing it right there. So there they are. There's 3 cards in there.
It said you could also fit cash in there. Like on this one, it says 3 cards plus cash.
Plus cash, yeah. So inside there's a little something that sticks up.
Yeah, I saw
grabs
it
the card.
when the coin was off. It was on the back, so it pushes against the back of the phone and pushes up. I can see the little mechanism. I saw it when he was putting the case on.
All right. So all the cutouts are there on this one. Looks like it's everything's lined up just fine. Gives you space for everything, and it has a little lip on the front of that case as well for the protection of the screen. Cutouts there for the camera. Overall, pretty nice cases. Like I said, very inexpensive. So if you don't want to break the bank, you'll get a good bang for your buck. 2 wallet cases and 1 Kungfu Grip case there from Silk Innovation. Again, we'll put links in the description below. Check it out. Any comments, questions for us, put it in the comments section. And as always,
Please like, subscribe, and share.
yeah, do it. Thanks.